scientific notation, we are taking a number, it's going to go in this box, and that number is between 1 and 10. It cannot equal 10, and that's going to be times 10 to some power. So if we have the number, let's say 23 million, and we want to write that in scientific notation, we need a number between 1 and 10, so it's going to be 2.3. And then to figure out the power of 10, we have to count how many spaces from here until the end. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that would be 2.3 times 10 to the 7th. And with a calculator, depending upon what calculator you have, sometimes it shows 2.3 like E7, or sometimes it's like 2.3 and there's a little 7 up there. Negative integer exponents is if we have a really small number. Writing that in scientific notation, that is 4.5 times 10 to some power. And now we count how many places our decimal point moved to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be -5. And on a calculator, that would be 4.5 e -5. The first 4 examples, we are trying to write this number as a power of 10. And you can grab your calculator and do 10 times 10 times 10. Keep multiplying by 10. And we multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So that would be 10 to the 4th. You might notice that you have 4 zeros here, and that's your exponent. In this case, you have 2 zeros, so that would be 10 to the 2nd. Same thing works for negatives, but you have to count the 0 out in front. 1, 2, 3. So that will be 10 to the -3rd. And here we have the 0 in front, so that would be 10 to the -1. Now we have several numbers to write using scientific notation. So this will be 9.76 times 10 to some power, and that moved over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9.76 times 10 to the 7th. Number 6, we need a number between 1 and 10, so 5.47, and we moved our decimal point 1 place to the left, so that would be times 10 to the -1. Number 7, 4.578. And if our decimal point was here, we moved it 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So the exponent on the 10 is 4. And 8, 1.95. So we move that decimal 1, 2, 3 to the left. So it will be -3rd. Number 9. We will have 7.29 times 10 to some power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We move the decimal point 8 places to the right. Number 10, 4.56 times 10 to some power. And that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 11, we will have 3.12. We move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So times 10 to the 11th. 12 through 15, we're asked to find the value of this expression. Here our exponent is -3, so we need to move our decimal point 3 spaces to the left, and we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and then the number 195. 13, we're going to take this 853.4, and we're going to move our decimal point 5 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to fill those in with zeros. 14, -2. So we move our decimal point 2 places to the left. And 15, we have to move our decimal point 6 spaces to the right. It was right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw these little wavy things. And there's our answer right there, 12,500,000. 16, we want to write this in standard form. We need to move our decimal point 5 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And writing this number in scientific notation, 1.427 times 10 to some power, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 10 to the 9th.